Hi, welcome to Sarah's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share a very easy and healthy Manatakali Kai Kurambu with very few ingredients that is easily available in our home. Manatakali Kai is very good for health. It cures ulcers and wounds. The ingredients are half cup of Manatakali, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of hing, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of sambar powder, few curry leaves, small lemon size turmeric and 1 teaspoon of jaggery. Heat the pan, add sesame oil. When the oil is hot, add mustard seeds. Mustard seeds sweaters, add fenugreek seeds. Now add manatakali. Add curry leaves. Little bit of salt to cook. Be careful. Now fry it well. Add the turmeric extract. Add sambar powder. Turmeric powder. Salt. Mix it well and allow it to boil for 5 minutes. Now add the jaggery and mix it well. Fenugreek and manatakali are better in taste. If we add jaggery, it reduces the bitterness. Healthy manatakali kurambu is ready. It's very good for health. Please try this recipe. Give your comments and also subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching Sarah's Kitchen.